Hello everyone and welcome to Murdoch's Connection. What a fantastic public realm area and what a bridge. It's taken a while to get here, but we're ever so proud of what we've got. I can't tell you how much work's gone into this by the local people who've worked on this scheme, one of whom is filming me now, which is fantastic. What we're sitting on here is an extended marina. This was once part of the marina. 13 huge steel piles in here which go all the way to the chalk. This marina deck sits on that. So I'm going up here towards the bridge deck. And what a view. This is one of the reasons why we built this scheme, is to declutter this area here and allow people to cross unimpeded. These crossings get removed and pedestrians can now cross safely away from traffic and enjoy this splendid view of the whole marina. It's a fantastic asset, is the bridge to the city, and one of the main reasons why we've built it. Did you know actually we've received a £4 million grant from Hull LEP? So that's the local enterprise partnership. They've contributed to this scheme, which is fantastic. It's helped us improve the bridge. It's not a standard bridge, as you can probably see. It's quite bespoke, it's very unique, and we've spent a lot of time working with the City Council on the design and the architecture of this bridge. It's very unique and it's a real asset to the city. It's great to see people actually walking around in it today. If we look over there, towards the west, we actually built the bridge over there and we wheeled it in about 16 hours. We closed the road, we managed to open the road 16 hours early, which is a real treat. Absolutely a lot of work went into that. We planned it to the nth degree and we're all really proud of it. As you can see there, that crossing's now closed. That crossing's now closed and we've got people crossing safely and enjoying the area. What a fantastic thing to see. If we come over to the northern side, which is by Prince's Quay, it's a very different area. We've got a lot of landscaping here, which I'll talk you through in a minute. So very much a public realm. We want people to come here, really enjoy it and spend time here. I'm walking down here to something that really impresses us. It's something we're all really proud of, which is linked to the name of the bridge. It's this Murdoch's Connection. What we've got here is a plaque that explains what we did and why it's called Murdoch's Connection. So we wanted to leave a legacy. We engaged local schools. We asked them to write an essay for us, and we had 100 essays. We asked for, and we narrowed it down to five key people who were from Hull, who had a link to the city. We asked for people to vote for who the bridge should be called after, and Mary Murdoch was chosen. Now Mary's story is really interesting. She wasn't actually from Hull, she was from Scotland, but moved here, first female GP, but she left a real legacy and a real character. She was involved in the suffrage movement. She was being the first female GP there. She kind of set a trend, and people of Hull really resonated with her. So the kids from Newlands for Girls wrote that essay. People voted for it. We had 55,000 entrants, which is unbelievable. And as you can see there, what a fantastic legacy there. And what we've got here is ramps. Now, we've spent many years building and developing this scheme in consultation with Hull Access Improvement Group and their access officer, with the plan being that people can access the bridge easily in wheelchairs or people who actually have mobility impairment. So this is much better for those people. And if I go up the steps here, which I can do, there's a break area. So we've put seats in here so people can have a bit of a sit down if they so wish and have a bit of a break and enjoy the views on this northern side as well, which is really pleasant. As you can see the Minster in the background and the Old Town there. So as I've intimated before, this ramp is laid in consultation with Hull Access Improvement Group. It's a fantastic addition to the scheme in my view, because it makes it accessible to everybody. If you're on a bicycle, wheelchair, if you're pushing your children in pushchairs, it's a lot easier. So going under the canopy of the bridge, which is not fabric, that is actually metal, and it was fabricated over in Holland actually by steel ship manufacturers. So actually it's an interesting fact that we're walking under the bridge here and you can see the lights that change. So there's about 7 or 8 different colours. It's a really unique, so coming back at night it's really different, and people will come and enjoy that in the evening. So it's great, it's fantastic to see. Remove that pedestrian vehicle interface and let people come across here and see this fantastic view of the marina, which is made even better now by the addition of the bridge.